Hey guys, thanks for watching. Yeah, it's gonna be quick because my camera's running out of battery. Yeah, I did use the GoPro. I can't show you because like I'm filming with it right now. But yeah, so I'm gonna be doing a canvas pretty soon, and so that's gonna be pretty cool. But I've still got to plan everything out. So yeah, again, inspired by Shiva. He's an awesome guy. If you haven't seen him, you have to check him out. He is amazing. He's like, oh, I'm horrible compared to him. But yeah, so yeah, subscribe and click my hand for Redman Dan 55 channel where I've done some GoPro slow motion, and that's pretty cool, like jumping into pools and all kinds of things like that. So yeah.